We have breaking news. A recent incident has come to show that the codes and conventions of each drama and romantic comedy must be revealed. We are continuing now to a media reporter, Aruza Mikhailian, who is on a media set. Thank you. The codes and conventions of a drama genre have finally leaked to the world. The film The Titanic in the drama category is a pure example of how the codes and conventions are used.
These are the analysis of movie trailers. The first we look at is drama, and the film I have chosen is Titanic. The common codes and conventions of a drama genre are that they are based around realistic characters and real-life situations and settings. A drama usually shows the development of one, maybe two characters throughout it. They use a dramatic storyline in order to relate with the audience. Drama genre films almost always show conflict. A typical convention is that they have a happy ending. They also have dramatic, intense music throughout. And how do I know this? This is through two different things, iconography and sound. Iconography in this film does not reinforce the convention that dramas have a happy ending. This is because the protagonist dies in the end. The film relates with the audience emotionally and has many peaks in order to keep the attention of the audience. Whereas if there was no peaks, highs or lows, and the film stayed on the same level, then it wouldn't be interesting for the audience and it wouldn't be a dramatic film. Titanic reinforces the convention that there is some form of realization at the end of the film when Rose realizes that she is actually in love with Jack and not the other man. Additionally, this film has spent a lot of money in order to have realistic props. The main prop, the boat, known for the Titanic, the characters and the setting of the ocean. Another convention of a drama genre, which Titanic reinforces, is a typical costume of that period of time. The men were suited up with top suits and the women with their fancy big dresses to represent the high class. Sound. The Titanic displays dramatic and emotional music throughout the film, including symphonic orchestra to emphasize the class that has been represented. The romantic comedy that has been chosen for this news report is The Proposal. The common codes and conventions of a romantic comedy, also known as a hybrid genre, are that they are based around a female character, and the film is seen through her point of view. It is typical to find a boy meets girl scenario, where the two protagonists are normally male and female. The film usually ends on a high note, where the couple end up in a relationship. A rom-com film or a trailer almost always starts with a voiceover, explaining the characters and introducing them. Films in this genre category are usually based in the workplace. This is through three things: iconography, typography, and sound. The Proposal follows the typical codes and conventions of a romantic comedy, as it is based around a boy meets girl storyline within the workplace. The trailer is followed through by a narrator who explains the character. Additionally, as much as the couple disliked each other, they fell in love in the end, and this reinforces the codes and conventions of a romantic comedy. Typography. The trailer shows quick snapshots of someone who is typing short phrases on a computer screen, which help identify the audience with a narrative. You can also hear the sound of the keyboard. The sound used in The Proposal is effective as it shows the diegetic and non-diegetic use of sound, as well as the voiceovers. The music throughout is uplifting and joyful, so that it affects the audience in a positive manner. Thank you for listening to this report. Signing out, Aruza Mikhailian.